2 aircraft a year. That's all Saab could build. And yet, in just a few short months, the company found itself sitting on more than 20 orders for a single aircraft, with nations lining up and some facing a wait of over a decade just to get their hands on it. So what changed? Saab just announced something big, and today we're breaking down exactly what it means for Canada, for NATO, and for the future of airborne surveillance. The aircraft in question is the GlobalEye, an Airborne Early Warning and Control Platform, or AEW&C, built by mounting Saab's advanced surveillance radar onto a Canadian-built Bombardier Global 6000 business jet. Think of it as the eyes in the sky, capable of tracking air, sea, and land threats simultaneously, feeding real-time battlefield awareness to entire military coalitions. For years, GlobalEye quietly built a reputation as one of the most capable surveillance platforms in the world. But reputation alone doesn't win contracts overnight. What's happened in 2026 is something else entirely, a wave of major procurement decisions, all landing at once.
During Saab's second quarter earnings call, CEO Michael Johansson delivered news that investors weren't expecting. Canada, he revealed, has selected the GlobalEye, committing to 6 aircraft, with contract negotiations now actively underway. For a country locked in a high-stakes fighter jet debate for years, this decision signals something important. Canada is beginning to diversify its defense partnerships beyond Washington. But that wasn't the biggest announcement. Johansson went on to confirm that NATO itself has selected the GlobalEye, not for one member state, but as a shared capability across 9 countries, replacing the alliance's aging E-3 Sentry fleet stationed at Geilenkirchen, Germany. Roughly 10 aircraft, 1 alliance, a single Swedish company now trusted to watch NATO's skies. Johansson didn't hide his pride. To have Sweden and Saab delivering this level of strategic capability to NATO, he said, is proof of what the industry can offer, and proof of why alliance membership matters more than ever. Here's where the real tension begins. With Sweden already operating 3 GlobalEyes, France committed to 2 with options for 2 more, an undisclosed Middle Eastern customer ordering 2 aircraft for 2030 delivery, and now Canada and NATO adding 16 more between them. Saab suddenly found itself facing a production bottleneck. At the current rate of 2 aircraft per year, customers at the back of the queue would be waiting over a decade.
So Saab is making a bold move. Production, Johansson confirmed, will scale from 2 aircraft annually to 6 by 2030, a 3-fold increase. The company is expanding its Linköping conversion facility and critically establishing a brand new industrial hub in Canada to support its newest customer. A second European location is also reportedly in the pipeline. And the list of interested nations keeps growing. At the NATO summit in Ankara, Finland's defense minister Antti Häkkänen confirmed his country is now exploring its own GlobalEye acquisition, a signal that Nordic air surveillance cooperation may be entering an entirely new phase. What we're witnessing isn't just one company scaling up a production line, it's a shift in who Western nations trust to watch their skies, and increasingly that trust is landing on Swedish engineering rather than American default. Whether Saab can actually deliver on this ambitious ramp-up without sacrificing the quality that earned these contracts in the first place will define the next decade of this program. So here is what we want to know. Does Canada's decision to bring the GlobalEye into its fleet alongside its F-35 purchase signal a real shift away from full reliance on the United States for defense technology? And with production tripling but demand still outpacing supply, should NATO members be worried that some of their most critical surveillance capability could still be a decade away? Let us know your take in the comments below.